This is Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first you will need to download and install the free app called Caffeine. So launch the Play Store, find the app in question, here it is, and then install it. Or, well, not this one, excuse me, the green one. Launch the app once it is ready. Then make sure that the timeout option is set at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app remains active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally or purposely turn it off or simply close the app. Just ensure that it stays active in the list of recent apps. Anyway, as long as you do that, your screen will never automatically turn itself off, no matter the idle time. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.